Okay, so now that it has populated the different possibilities of what the key could be, what you want to do is, okay, first off, the green means that it's a high probability that this is the key. It's not going to be 100% accurate just because, you know, keys get worn down, and you know, there's just so many different possibilities. So if you notice, what it's doing is that it's reading the key profile, and then it's looking at the length of the key, and that's how they're estimating what the key is. And so what you do now is you can select different keys. You know, here, that's the manufacturer. You know, they're just a key blank manufacturer. That's their SKU number. And the SKU number is basically what Ilco uses to reference their inventory. So that is that. And what you want to do is you want to click on it and you just process elimination. You look at the name of it and you try to get an idea of what it is. So Keyline USA, that is this company's brand of key. It's called the BSC1, but here we carry mostly Ilco stuff. So it is the SC1. So you look at both names. I don't know why, but Ilco has two different names. You know, I haven't looked into that, but just be aware of that. So you look at the SC1. So you're like, okay, cool. I think it's an SC1. You go and you look through your key blanks and you look for SC1, and boom, there it is. And you do it is you take this and you compare it to the customer's key. If the key profile, the length, the you know, divots right here are the same, then that's the key that you're going to use to cut the key. And you just go down, process elimination, and you know, if that's not the right one, you go here, you look at it. There's two you know, names for it that Ilco provides. Just look at both. And then, you know, we go down, let's say if it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one. Yellow means it's low probability, but it's still, oops, sorry. It's low probability, but you know, it's still an option. So you just go down and you just have to check it out. This one says SC4. So we look at SC4 here. Okay, we pull SC4, take a look at it. We measure it with the customer's key and we see if it's the right one. So that is the third way of finding a key blank. And yeah, that's the third way of doing it. Over time, you'll get familiar with the different keys, and you know, you'll just get really quick with it. You'll do a visual inspection of it or visual identification. You'll know by the key code, and then if not, you'll be using the decoder. So that's it for identifying the key blank. Now we're going to go into how to cut an edge cut key.